Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G42, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this Motorola device. You need to start by opening Settings. Now scroll all the way down and click on System. After that, you need to select Languages and Input, on-screen keyboard, and finally Gboard. From here, click on Text Correction section. All you need to do now is scroll down and tap on this switcher next to autocorrection. As you can see, automatic text correction is now off. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!